Hello, in today's video I will be discussing how to use the new welcome screen for Quicklaunch Education Edition. Upon entering the Quicklaunch enabled classroom, you will see the following screen, which contains a sign-in button and a QR code. This video will discuss the use of the QR code. Scanning the QR code will require use of our Authenticator app for iOS or Android. From the app, scan the QR code, enter your email address, password, and potentially an MFA code. From the app, you can choose to save these credentials, meaning that rescanning the code will automatically remove the welcome screen and directly sign into the correct calendar. After a few seconds, your account will be verified and Quicklaunch will unlock, showing the working interface. Because the Authenticator app signed in with Microsoft, this means that launching any of the Microsoft action tiles will launch signed in using our secure browser. After 15 minutes of inactivity, a meeting end, or pressing the button, a reset room will occur. This signs the user out of Quicklaunch and their apps and will require scanning the QR code again to re-enter the room. Rescanning the QR code will sign into Microsoft and grant access to the interface. Using the app allows for a seamless sign-on experience. To use the welcome screen, you must make sure the required domains are properly set up in the Quicklaunch account settings. For information on how to set up and use accounts in Quicklaunch, please see the video linked in our description. For more information about Quicklaunch Education Edition, visit our website at ucworkspace.com/quicklaunch-education.